Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, then you know who I am, and if you've never been here before, then my name is JD Savage. I'm a high-ticket affiliate marketer, and what I do is I design basically courses on YouTube, but I don't charge people for them as most people do. You know, the anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 to $10,000 fees that people want for courses. I teach you how to make money online as an affiliate marketer with all of the things that high-ticket affiliate marketers do. All right. So if you've stumbled into this and it sounds good to you, then what you need to know is you're on video 7 of a series that obviously started back here with video 1. So if that's the case, I would highly recommend, you're more than welcome to watch this video, but go back to video 1 and start there, okay? Because this has to do with a specific platform, as all my series do, and you're going to know a lot more if you start at video 1 than if you start at video 7, okay? So if you're here for the first time, welcome, and if you're back, then welcome back, guys. So what we're going to do, and I just want to clarify for everybody listening to me, if I sound different today, that's because I have a hell of a cold, and I have for a while, and I keep losing my voice. And on that note, I've had some inquiries as to, hey, when's the next video? When's the next video? That's been my holdup. I apologize. I'm not lagging on purpose. I have a hard time. I've been losing my voice. So if I have to pause this video a few times today, I'm here because I've been asked to be here and you guys want the next video, and I certainly want to bring it to you. I just may have to get a drink of water or a lozenge to finish this video, but I don't think that'll bother you too bad. And I'll try not to cough in your ear. Okay. So that said, what we're going to cover today is we're going to cover some free traffic sources, all right? And we're going to go through, probably the next 3 videos, we're going to go through some free traffic sources. And that's because the majority of you reaching out to me are asking, okay, hey, move on to the free traffic sources, move on to the free traffic sources. Cool. I'm good either way. I'm going to show you the free traffic sources, and I'm going to show you the paid traffic sources. If you're somebody watching this and you want to know about the paid traffic sources because you're not really into like putting your face on video or doing the things that you got to do for free traffic sources, just reach out to me. My number is always on my videos. I'm sure you know that. It's at the bottom of my videos. Shoot me a text. Just let me know, and I'll help you out, okay? Now, that said, I'm going to pause this for a minute, and I'm going to put my cell phone screen up here so that I can show you specifically, because what we're going to talk about today is TikTok. All right? So I'm going to get a drink of water because I can feel my voice already cracking, and I'm probably going to get a lozenge, and I'll try not to make too much noise with it while I make this video. All right, guys, I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. For some reason, I'm having some technical difficulties today. My mouse, even though it's set on operate my phone as I display my phone here, for some reason it's not wanting to do it, but that's okay. We'll get through it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'll just pull up a TikTok account as an example. This is an account I haven't had all that long, but one thing I'm going to want you guys to understand about TikTok is that it's kind of a random system, and there's a lot of reasons. I won't go into a whole lot of detail here, but what I want you to do is go set up 5 TikTok accounts, okay? With those 5 emails that you have, go set up 5 TikTok accounts. And if I recall correctly, I'll just be clear with you, I don't even know how many TikTok accounts I have. And what I mean by that is, it's not uncommon that you'll get a TikTok account suspended, or you'll get a violation on a video. And if you get too many of those, then pretty soon it's like being shadow banned. Your account will slow down. It is free and it is simple, and we're going to use these same videos in other places. So I definitely recommend that you use TikTok because you can get a lot of coverage, and it's brought me a lot of business. But I will tell you, it's irritating. So don't get so hooked on, you know, you're going to build this one account. I bet you I have probably 30 TikTok accounts, maybe more. I'm not sure. But here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you look here, you can see that there's just TikTok account after TikTok account after TikTok account. Now, that's not even the majority of my TikTok accounts, to be honest. So you can only have so many logged in on your phone. So for now, I would say get yourself 5 TikTok accounts and get them set up. I believe it's up here. So yeah, so anyway, you can just go to TikTok and set up accounts, but you'll see all you need is a separate email address for each one. And as I do them, I do everything sequentially. So you'll see it's JD Cashbase 5, and I had to change that with some of the other ones. So just my name, JD Savage 01 through, I think I've got through 5 with that series of accounts. Just something that you can track and something that you can pay attention to, okay? And if you want to know more about the content on my accounts, obviously you can go to any of my accounts and look at them. They're all public. And by the way, you want to set them to public, not a private account. But it's a free form, guys, of short form video advertising. And again, I got this voice thing going on. I apologize. I'm going to take a drink of water here. But what you're going to want to look at, if you're nervous about going on video or showing your face, I have ways to show you how to get around that, and it's not so necessary for you to have to do that. But for example, this one account here, I don't know if there's any videos on here that are maybe where they're just kind of, they don't show my face. I obviously don't have a problem being on camera, but if you do, there's things that you can do where I'll show you just kind of how to play music, and you know, you can just advertise it, basically advertise your affiliate link. And anyway, I'll show you that. But what I need you to do for now is get 5 TikTok accounts and start thinking about looking at some examples. So with TikTok, it's like anything, right? It's hashtags. So just look up hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtags, just start getting some ideas on some things you can do. And then I'm going to show you a really cool way to speed that up. All right, meaning that you can put it to all of the different TikTok channels. Now, I will tell you this about having one video to all five, making one video and putting it on all 5 TikTok channels, not your best plan. What you can do, and I'm going to show you how to use CapCut, which is what I'm telling you towards the end of this video. But what you can do is you can add different text to that same video and change it up a little bit, put different music to it, and you can put it to all 5 TikTok channels. Okay, because what I need you guys to understand is content is king. Getting your affiliate link out there with the opportunity that you have out there in front of people, that's the point. The more eyes that you have, the more opportunities that you're going to have to bring somebody into HBA and into your affiliate marketing platform, okay? So that's the math here. If you're nervous about doing that, there are ways, like I said, I'll show you. And I'm going to pause this video here in a second. I'm going to find one so that I can show you while you're here, all right? So just give me 1 second and I'll find one so I don't waste your time sitting here watching me, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, I found an example here. Let me just click on this one here and you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm not saying anything. I just filmed a video myself. I covered my face up with words, right? And I'm basically just leading people to moneyprinter1.com. Okay, you get the point, right? Real straightforward. So that said, you can definitely create that type of thing. What I would highly recommend is create the 5 TikTok accounts and do some exploring. Look at my videos. You're more than welcome to replicate any of my videos. That's fine. Look around, look at affiliate marketing, look at different hashtags. Hashtag making money online. You know, you can replicate any videos that you feel comfortable replicating, okay? Whether that's you talking to the camera, you not talking to the camera, and you just doing something more like what I just showed you, all right? Okay, let me pause that and I'll set us up for the next piece. Okay, what I want you guys to see is this little free app called CapCut, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. So download CapCut from your app store. It's free. And what you'll see is you can load new projects. So if you hit the load new, and you can actually record from here, but you're better off just to record on your phone to start with, because I don't think when you first start, you're going to have the little camera button that's on here. But so what you'll do is you won't have preloaded projects here. You'll record it on your phone, and then you'll give it permission to get to your videos. And then let's just say that I'll just do a quick example here. So this one here, I've already done, but what you can do is you can add in music. You can add in little, this is kind of a full screen, so not your best example. By the way, that's something that you do want to do. When you record, hold your phone up. For this, I've done it where I put it on all of them because, like, I'm going to have you put it on YouTube channels and other things, right, and Facebook. But to start with, just hold your phone upright. Don't use landscape mode. I forget what the other one's called, but use that one, all right? So you can see here that what it does, what it allows you to do, and I need you guys just to get this app and then play with it, okay? But what you'll see is it allows you to put in pieces here where, whether it's music, and now, well, actually, the music will come on when you forward it to TikTok, and I'll do that for you here. So you can see that you can do overlays. You know, I can put my YouTube channel on here, depending upon what you want to overlay. You can do what I showed you earlier where the words were all, that's how I did that, and I do it really fast. Now, to give you an example here, what you do is, if you want to, I just always upframe this to 60 instead of 30, and then you're exporting. Now, what you got to be sure of when you're going to bring this to a TikTok channel is that you, and I won't go ahead and post this because I already have, but I'm just trying to give you guys an example here of how to use this and how simple it makes life. So when it uploads, which it should be doing now, for some reason it's taking longer, probably because I got everything running here. Again, there's that cough, I apologize. Okay, so now it says share to TikTok. What you want to make sure of is that you have the TikTok channel selected on your phone that you want this to go to, because when I hit share to TikTok, it's going to go there. And you can see, according to the app, I can share it in lots of other places. But the reason you want to go ahead and let's say share to TikTok. Okay, now let's pause that and shut me up here. I don't want to shut me up. Okay. Well, anyway, you can hit add sound, and you can select viral music. You can go to TikTok viral if you want to. Let's just, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to post it anyway. So select that. Now, hold on 1 second. I need to turn this volume down. Okay, I'm back. I apologize. Got coughing again. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your music. You're going to turn the volume down on your main music. Then here is where you're going to add your hashtags. Okay. So what I do is I select a myriad of hashtags and I save them to my notes. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you're probably familiar with this process, but let's just say these here. So what I do is I just save these to my notes, and then I copy and paste them over to the videos when I post them. Okay. And on TikTok, you're allowed, I believe, 15 different hashtags. Sometimes I'll use 16, 17, whatever, but you're allowed 15. All right. So post those hashtags, and what you do is, so I would just obviously copy them. All right, and just select all, and then I don't want that there. Copy, and then move back over here to TikTok, and then paste. All right, they're all there, and then select a cover. So that's kind of important to just select a cover. because otherwise it just pops up just whatever randomly. Now, this is where you would go ahead and post it. I won't go ahead and post it because I've already posted this video, but I think you get the idea. All right, I'm gonna set up for our next piece here. Okay, so assuming I posted that video, what would happen is it would go to my TikTok channel, and it would offer me, once it posted it, to either stay in TikTok or to go back to CapCut. Now, if you go back to CapCut, what you can do if you want to is you can change a few things about that video. And I need you to get CapCut and just play with it. You'll see what all the stuff is. And there's even instructional videos on there. So just watch them and learn how to use it. It's a really good thing, because then you can create those. So I'll give you some more tips on that going forward, but I think that's enough for today. Create 5 TikTok channels and download CapCut and just start playing with the idea of looking around at different hashtags, okay? And obviously within that scope. So affiliate marketing, make money online, make money from home, all of those different things. And you can probably see some of the hashtags that I showed you there. You're trying to appeal to an audience. So getting too far out of that audience doesn't really make too much sense. You can, I know somebody that has 27 TikTok channels that he runs all at one time, which is crazy to me. But anyway, it's all doable, and we'll get into, how you can auto post, and I'll do all those things. But for now, please just start your 5 TikTok channels with its individual email, download CapCut and play with CapCut and get to understand it, because it's going to save you a lot of time. Okay. All right. That is it for today. If you have any questions, as I said, my number is always right below the video. Hit me up. I'm happy to answer them. All right, y'all. Peace.